Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can connect and link Facebook page to Instagram account. So the first thing that you want to do is to head over to your Facebook page and you want to make sure that you are not inside your account. So this is my personal account right here and this is my page that I want to connect to my Instagram account. So you want to make sure that you go ahead and switch to your page. From there, you just want to navigate through settings. And inside, you then want to scroll down, click on linked accounts, and basically right after that, you just want to select Instagram. Click on connect account, click on connect once more, and from there you then have to basically log in the account that you want to connect with your Facebook page right here, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.